I say boom boom boom, no everybody say well. I say boom boom boom, no everybody say well. I say boom boom boom, no everybody say well.
Live on Asampa 94.7 and Wasugusa uti uhwe ewa Dum TV so fire for fire dwumadie no. Abusan for Olympics case somebody call a second one no court na boagu. Court na bo second case na gu. The second injunction filed by Accra Gate Olympics Center league no mind to me started no. Court na Justice Anthony Watna so and the Human Rights Court ewo Accra no waboagu say eno no entimi nyina. But there's another case at Accra Gate Olympics for a filing I don't know an appeal against the earlier decision to dismiss the injunction at Gate Olympics Ekosiki, you know. And no any case OCCA a DAO appeals court one more. But Ghana for you see a catcher Ghana F and said Emrana Omri football no the complicities in the Emrana doors no and until Amma and Yamana be Brodoma Uncle for when we have football no what we call assembly biano. Say Emrania very simple Obien wo dia Sembeko court. Sadia na ewo FM brand mu na bibia come and protest. Bibia come and protest no. Sebi. Na hwe Ghana for mu hade o. Ghana Football Association dia say the mra mu say woto mra bi na say fine wa. Sa fine no you shall pay the fine within 14 days. So when you are fine within 14 days, asofia oho. Sa asofia no. And say club will be every protest and sa you apply that punishment. And that nyansani. And they say your fine team be say bia we use unqualified player. And I say what di boni bi. And you fine no. Akwa team ya wamu am premier nyi match. Doma Adriana Stars. Yes, you are final. And then the 15th. Within 14 days, when you are final, Uber match be a forfeiture of points. Forfeiture of the match. You don't need any club to come and protest before and so what's 30 points, you know. When you are final within 14 days, Uber match na penalty, you know. This one makes sense than you wait for somebody to come and protest. To say the large groups are co-protesting here, and then 4 years after no, the case is still in court. We cannot count 14 days. It doesn't make sense to me. The FA no our responsibility say Obama Brano are very, very simple. Abobia. Some of the laws will be say administrative. Hey, you're final 14 days. When to ya Obama na penny at protest or no protest. I think life will be easier for all of us. Say your man Brano are very simple. Ghana for Obiansha Senfre, ye be fire. Ye ba be fire. 030 22 11 701 702 703 704. Obia me fire. Aye fire for fire. Me fire. Na wa fire. Na you ja. Enti no obi kasabua enhye ne yam. Olympics asam ya poagu, but it doesn't make the football association no enyema bi omo kɔ no omo yeri nyina no still enyema basabasa enyema bataho a emwa. We need to sanitize the system. Football must be run in a certain conducive environment. More fire. Mr. Dove, fire ni anko.
Bekumine.
More fire.
Somehow Mamichana Najima Bedu, Netando Ike, or far away Virginia.
More fire.
Bekumine.
More fire.
Gardinian Coupon, somehow.
Now,
media may mestre, may my catch a court to say, judge for a ceremony or court, but he can be. Set Monsieur who say, a dear Kwan, the world if you want more. A Bibia, your bully, and Uncle for nom the Omasamaba. A Bibia bully, and Uncle for nom the Omasamaba. No, some who say no, there is something going wrong.
More fire.
Then maybe one more making sure so we feel because what kind of at least no see a fair can with you and me, David, you not just also be. Asana Ghana football na yi ti o se ni pe bi ho no mo a etwitwa mu firi ho no ti se de kasi buroni ni etwitwa body etugu no ye be sere buroni fita na abai ye boli Ghana si ye jai ni be bi ho abi wana papa akobu na bem na fi asofo obija yiwum yenso yenye ready say papa ye beja ne kwa mana ko ye be sere mpanifo wo mo toto niema de o so ofiri ho no o firi ho no mo ye meka nkire say hwan de ka mi ho sika nsu bi wo yo je free ye ni kwasinya nteju ho se ye na be ka nkire say Ministry of Sports for hwan de ka fuck you o mo toto niema
more fire ye da say original Nigeria fire ni enko more fire
Abanton Monyafo and the Komusho
more fire
Asobaton was saved from Dr. Mensa and Pessoa
more fire
on the Tano US and the young class will be to my ocean. Now I make no Tana League and no near KB says, but I think can be through. That's your question. I didn't go when you're back on you. Say, I am a large gusa. One year she can't find young continue. I'm not for a gishi. I make an answer basket. I've been not good, but I got a football. A go back now, Cabrana Bonjana got a gun for it. I have 30 years South Africa for the year. Yansha, for fast and players a good damn. Jaffa MD, I have benefit and Zeboni Petro Tikroma. Personal at my bank or by Bomayano. I cannot play a team's neighbor. Also, I said, who bottom the other question Yankee, and Yabakunia, I am impressed as we acquisition form, but the message in Penny Fresno. Munguno, I was in the dinner for one with your head there and see the Ayacono. Also, one, or go back up, so much or 3-4.
Lawyer, fire Nianko, more fire. More fire.
Me, and then one was the question now, my gun and then I just saw no end of a catch you say. Obeba be every penny a obetya and then one was all can't ask them so to hear him penny for now be Ghana football 16 clubs in now which is the same so rest and say Olympics same we are said your Cristiano was here the no can enemy Olympics same way now think clubs in now almost Olympics no mu the baby no be there we are same way what same way one court now court say ya bottom na Ofi said akwaya odi onu so bi nje sia akwa kodisi mu bi se no e ba be koji munya so munim pepe da de nipa na ye na nye but obi antimi kan kira ye ndi afemi ko anu nya ndekye di kan kate why no wetin di efe akokot e di bim da na no tete onim ye be si da e jo se pen pon munya mu solitia no
more fire
na di o e obi an
anu no waka wase wo ba fire ntatam ne enko wo ti ase Ishak fire ne enko more fire
me da se mojojo am se me come asem so okay, simple. Thank you, Champions League. They are excitement. We are seeing it. And I will be the English. I got to see the Champions League. It was like any system. There's a Ghana League. I'm running the back of us. Bella time for Tawi. Yeah, couldn't just enough. I'm more for Sunday. You are prepared. About that, you're prepared. I'm not moving for the because league already no man can stand but League of 5 centers. What to be that? Oh, yes. Men who has a 4 months soon fast will say that. Oh, yes, that. I just got happy. If you don't know when the Bella Bella or because of blessed or the Connie has any other team, because of the way, I'm about 2, 1, 2, 3 matches, no musical nasa. If your mom bomb was a medium with animal, I'm not Tom moving in Nada, I almost more fire. More fire. No, we do a Ghana as the Medasa.
Now, boy, league ya boy, face matches, mobile last 5 matches, last 6 matches, face matches. Obien de Bessie. Referee si beje bribe. Start times I shall say cry. Match a ye team match ye na we awurade nyankopon Jesus Christ. Our whole match now. Man can fire nyanko more fire.
So Como show celebrate mesomu ewusum and in person so Como show Sohum Police Commander Joseph Owusu opotuma yepa na mention yepa. Como show na yebeda otwedi ampo nyankopon ase senne abrawa etimi ayipuma ewo kwamuni mpanyefo ne bubu bi se sabe oba wote woto eba akuti a ye de atopa na eja okwan o hwe Olympics ni ye wo Ghana football mu na ne ye football akachi ne ye pokosi ante sumbo ne ye poto jefrio sumbo ne ye post sports ne sumbo master e o ye nyina ayekwa me na me ka Olympics say I think say the last I don't know Olympics in Ghana Premier League what I'm telling you from now Olympics in Premier League be what I'm na ka because Master, who to Ghana ha this segment way I'm not microphone chiamu Master Olympics fire paying professional way
more fire swat yes here wonderful champion Dr. Sikasa fire near call
Moshoso 1 Mosho de akwaso Ghana ha no do baby football na ye nyina di akire no do baby kwa na ewra ho e di tine se timi ko basa because football ya yi we sound say team bia football for you na mo kambo mu na mo kwa again mo ko congress ko to niema
to say the Ghana football bit me to pon but the moment ka say to me twem ho asem bi ba bote kwa fo bi abusa say e ko ti say o minimum ho hwe that means say ona mo kwa no mo go so bibi o say na wo kan say me na me de pa te du ba bi a yellow card ne sa red card ne ade no abrofu dey obi make say more pay no dey abeto no obi ehu ba Ghana ha no obi make say ane okrofo a o monitor ade no edu ba bi a no mo te so Golo boys no dey touch no dey apologize ko obi che no akwapodi na akwa man so na be say league no mo agasa na mo su say nya sponsorship for league ye press league enti man so ni football obi egbo wi ase obi egbo ball obi ani di akiri a Ghana ha ye kwa ye tim mo ball enti sabe eni pa bi no ni ngwase ana anya fere mo ni pa bi ana enti ko du ba bi ase congress ne nyamo no mo kono emra no mo hyehyɛ no o mbe se mre mo ade aba obi ebediru bia no enya mi nyani nya smasi ni so hu se afọ pepe nya dwuma de amososo football yi oh la.
I'm in for last call now for see Razak experience man fire near call more fire Razak experience man okay so ayen fa call be for see more na yembra studio meeting komo so what you say Alhaji Makosa akwaba bibia boko there Alhaji Makosa you see nyanhye no you dismiss it nyanhye no but there's an appeal case all the more I no so say omohwe no mkaka wansem da ben na Ghana football be free da Ghana football who beto no da ben na Ghana football na we call 13 ami etimi aye se wotia no na wo ye football na because of common yellow card intino etimi delay league by 4-5 months are you serious football nation
say they unim say yentechi say oje oji tumi say wa say Ghana football yenka say finance wono wa say Ghana football nsama a ye kan wo ba na wa ba be yi ano no che say bi onim ni a o kan hwe ma men ka asem bi ncho bisa na me ka de bia me ka asem yi the first 5 years no na the Ghana court ama football yentimi more
fire
what I say the first 5 years to 2010 when the Ghana football e dey court yentimi more and then yentimi more football bibia say ye kan wo se dey bia ntisa wo ba be chete say open indicators aba no mo be chete ne yentama ye kasa ene na me ka chele ne won fantu timi say if it's about 2005 no what dey call World Cup and 2006 and 2010 what dey call from 2010 no your football is say you go World Cup this can be sebi na buy my pamu yes ha buy yentima nya Ghana yentima nko ba bia players bubu amanfo tum ananyesa na te omu bubu executive members na tum yentima nko ba bia ye ba fie no won bisa no say wotimi ko World Cup ni bi wotimi ko bi Cup of Nations ye bo ena bibie no akoyie what I say it is anu win na haye ye kan aya amanfo mpese ye beka what I say e ya wro some say Ghana na sa mrei na ye mo league na ye court say court and e kan football court na e kan football atam
bagosa beba file difficult aba oba ordinamani ebo but asam pese bisa o say unyi ni say mraso say judge bi betre dwamu na what the football substantive asam aba no because ye kwa ni aboy na sinagu asam na kasa na club ndekọ ye ni o na ya kata so the same season another season na sense biom unyi ni say there should be a time one day judge be atum na wadi asam no service Olympics asam yi na judge na transi na wadi asam no from crank to crank and I say anybody be ma maybe a best set president obi you the Cameroon league next season the same the best court biom
well me that only say football your regulations they different ni sebi nsam bi na ha na the court what I say esan say sa nsam na omo fa nya adwuma wo de nti na eduru ba bia na me bisa one of the executive member Palmer o say Palmer din nsam kuko ya o say call cast na che say cast che say nsam na efefo na anka o man di asam ni sa ni your friends friends sa committee members na say o mo kan nsam no o man timi anka o man kan ni o man kan akre ama na dreams your friends dreams for you say you o mo call your friends division 1 ma achie o mo sa bai na che say o mo kan akre efenum kana kure
finally judge no waba bamania omsidan omsi league ne chance
okay mama ne boni say na udi kan say emri bi beso ama judge 40 me like outside GFA regulations ni whatever no out of court no you bet me as
interest ni ndie court
na baso ebedin kwadwo. Looking at what happened today at the courts, human rights court, a bedding, because Anthony Yabua etina semno sono otie on my hearing to both sides. Now, as I make for over 3 hours, now Obia man hearing. owie ye no o se yen san twen no ono ankasa entro ne judgment ye tena ase for almost an hour asa na otimi tro ne judgment ewie na o tro ne judgment wie ye no o de nsem ne bae no ono ankasa ewie ye no sanse yen san tena ase me enko ka bibia keke na technicalities no endorse we more din na ye nim ne akoka bibia keke the asemfufo contempt in asemfufo it even with the lawyers are represented both sides no ekra no oma omo so omo ntro omo numbers into one ochina clerk ne entimi entro bibia non type e fa nto anso omo ba beji eye ruling nankasa asamati ase yi na meti ase kakra ene kakra me ne eye lawyers na kwesi bentil ono oso begina mu e de ma eye Olympics ono na me ne kasa ya ata eye case no watch say asem na aba no emu odin na the only thing judge sisi judge ne dia ba ne say injunctions mandatory interlocutory whatever injunctions thing na no eno de wabo egu on the court na any ono ne jurisdiction so obe rule case now wo mo dia already no and what appeals court no but ono no emma wo mo kwan say they should go ahead
and play the league.
No, and even about the league. Go ahead, no pursue the case at the appeals court. Okay. Ono ni die enyo ono no be what I say enyo no be rule that case no
maybe there no course what it is is that
Olympics in hands bia se bia wo league no so say ne ye be league e betimi ahase abo league but as you said nipa fufuro na odi akoto so no ne die no be squash o mo squash o no eno die
fire that's because I fancy
yeah, but no me the manu see na na o ka bibia technicalities for sports o say enya friends say cars na almost some technicalities bi o dey call outside your friends say ifin and outside sports na ne kan din o say no ansem na o kan obi say na
no who come and address all these issues
it no
be sia but Ghana football and same we tell you say enema nko yi fire burn you more fire hey oji